So I'll be showing you how to enter 100 mode on your iPhone 15. And this is normally necessary, especially if you use the Pro phones, the bigger iPhones, and you have small hands or maybe an injured hand, and you want to access some parts of the screen. Okay, so as you can see, if I want to access the top part of the screen, all I have to do is swipe down at the bottom, and the top part of the screen comes down to me, and I can tap on an app I want. Okay, so just slide it like that, and it comes down. Now, to be able to use this feature, you have to enable it in the settings. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, and then tap on touch, and then make sure you enable reachability, because with that disabled, you don't be able to pull down the screen. But with reachability enabled, you can be able to pull it down like that. All right. So that's basically how to use 100 mode or the reachability mode in your iPhone 15. I'm using the 15 Pro Max, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.